Hey, welcome back everybody. We're cooking with Chef Puff. We'll bring you the good stuff. Okay, today we're going to be making some cheeseburgers, okay? But first things first, I'm going to be making a special sauce. And I'll give you the definite ingredients on how to make it. So let me get the camera set up so we can get a close-out view of exactly what I'm doing. All right, for the sauce, I don't know what I'm going to call it, but what I'm gonna give you, what I'm using Frank's hot red sauce. I'm using Sriracha hot chili sauce ketchup, and I'm using creamy Caesar. All right, so there is no measurements to this. It's to your taste. It's what you want. Definitely to your taste. We'll get a little bit more kick out of it. All right, get it all mixed up. Nice pretty color. Okay, that's good. There's a sweetness in the Sriracha ketchup, and there's a sweetness in the creamy Caesar, and it gets a little tang of kick with the hot sauce. All right, I'm done with this, so we're gonna move on down to the meat now. So I'll be right back. All right, welcome back everybody. Okay, we're doing cheeseburgers with onions on the Blackstone. All right, so I'm gonna season this with season the ground meat with a little bit of Worcestershire sauce. All right, and I'm also going to mix with the ground meat, onions. So let me get started here. All right. All right. I'm only going to use one side. Just get me plenty. All right. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add all these already pre-chopped up some onions. Add them to the mix here. Now I want to get the onions incorporated into the ground meat itself. All right, I want every aspect of this ground meat with some onion in it. All right. Plus the onion will give it a nice flavor. Yep. All right, now I'm just gonna hit it with a little bit of Worcestershire sauce. It's gonna definitely change the flavor profile with the burger itself. Just a little bit more. And that's all she wrote of seasoning the ground meat. I'm not going to put no salt or no pepper in it at this time. I will do that when they are on the Blackstone. All right. So I'm going to let this ground meat marinate in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes before I start making my patties. So I shall return. Hey, okay, everybody. All right. The hamburger meat has been marinating for about a half an hour. All right, like just what I showed you before. I put the onions in it, so, and some Worcestershire sauce. It's all been mixed together. All right, but I'm using these Blackstone molds. These are basically used for eggs, okay? But you know, it just makes a perfectly round, nice hamburger. All right, as you can see, very nice. All right. You don't have to use one of these to make your own hamburgers, but That's what I'm using. All right. Just gonna grab some ground meat, throw in the mold, press down, get rid of the excess. Get rid of the excess and just pop it out. A nice hamburger. All right, I'm gonna do 2 more, and we're ready to go on to the Blackstone. Well, these things are multi-purpose. That's the way I'm gonna say it. All right, so I'm gonna do 1 more burger, and I shall return. Welcome back, everybody. Welcome back with Cooking with Chef Tuck. We definitely bring you the good stuff. All right, I got the Blackstone grill fired up here, and I'm gonna throw me down a little bit of olive oil. All right, I use my IR reader, my Blackstone. It reads the temperature. There's different ways of reading. I showed you this before. You know, it has the probe here, or it has the IR reader. If I hold it, it'll give me the temperature of the surface of this grill. And as you can see, it's 390. Okay, we're good to go. But what I'm going to do, I'm gonna shut these 2 burners off. And now I'm gonna spray some olive oil here. Get these burgers going. All right, now for the burgers. There you go. There you go. Beautiful noise. All right. I love that sound. Now, the key with cooking these burgers is don't touch them. Let that side crust up on the other side here. All right, but what I am going to do here now, I'm going to hit top with a little bit of salt. A little bit of salt and a little bit of pepper. And just let them go. Just let them go. So I will be back right after I do the first flip, so I shall return. Okay, everybody. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to hit these burgers with a little bit of water. All right, steaming, and you'll see. And now I'm just going to shut it down and let it do its magic. All right, so once again, I'll be right back when I do the first flip. All right, what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna do this area right over here because I wanna get my onions down. All right, so I am gonna do my first flip. Beautiful. Beautiful. Very nice. You want that crust. All right. Okay, now I'm going to hit it with a little bit more oil. And the onion with some olive oil. I'm using EVO. Now, on this side, a little salt and pepper. Right, so now what I'm gonna do now, once again, same thing. I'm definitely gonna hit it with some water on both sides here. And I'm just gonna put it down. All right, everybody, I'm gonna cook these burgers till they're done. And I shall return when I plate, okay? So I shall return, be right back. All right, everybody, I'm gonna start the plate now. The burgers are done. I put the cheese on and the onions, and they're ready to be plated here. So without further ado, and simple cheeseburgers done on the Blackstone griddle. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I like cooking. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe, ring the bell, and everybody have a wonderful day and God bless you.